Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a lettermark logo, okay, for like a little sentence, and it's going to be in PixelLab. The good thing is that this kind of logo you can use it for text animation and create for clients and earn from it on the internet. So we are also going to convert it into a 3D logo. So ensure to watch the video carefully and watch it till the end. Let's dive in. So guys, ensure to launch PixelLab app. I'll leave the link in the description so that you download the app from the Play Store. It's free. Okay, so once you have launched the app, click on this plus at the top left. So I'll be showing us how to design a logo. Okay, it's just like a text, yeah, but you can also use it as a logo the way that you're going to design it. So let's say you want to write let's say okay, you can also decide to make everything capital letter, okay, so that it will make sense, when we are finished making it 3D. So follow the steps in the video guys, and if you feel I'm too fast, you can use a VLC player so that you be able to regulate the speed of the video. So just follow the steps. First, go to alignment, align it to the center. Then before we even add padding, let's give it one font. Ensure to use a good font, okay, so use a good font. If you are new into graphic design, then it's a skill you need to know about, okay, either from free classes or paid class. Okay, we host 2 days of free professional flyer design that will soon be coming up, so it's another reason why you should subscribe to the channel, okay, so that you get updates once we post. So guys, we'll go ahead and pick this font. Let's go ahead and pick this font, okay. So once you have picked that font, okay, if you just downloaded PixelLab newly, you get this font there, okay. So you can also go to line spacing. Can you see line spacing? There's line spacing, there's letter spacing. I also go to letter spacing, add spacing to it. Hope you are following guys. Now go ahead and change the color to black, okay. Do it to use your alignment key, place it in the center, go ahead and copy it. So you want to manipulate this text a bit, then merge the two together. Now hope you are following guys. If you want to know how to use PixelLab very well, subscribe to the channel, okay. There's various videos in my channel on how to use PixelLab app and you become good at it. So the reason why we merge this sentence together is so that we'll be able to scale it out. But if you feel scaling it out is not good for what you want to use it for, then you can also merge it like this and scale it a bit, or you can also merge it and use it for other purposes like what I'm going to show you next now. So all you need to do is copy it, okay. Once you have copied it, this one that you copy, let's just send this one to the center, okay. Let's assume we send this one to the center, then copy it again. So we have 3 layers now, and these 3 layers, they are not text, so we'll go ahead and hide one, okay. So we've hidden one layer. Now go to eraser. Can you see eraser? Click on eraser. I'm going to be erasing some parts, okay. Can you see this line I'm toggling at the below part? Now is the length of the brush that we're going to be using to erase. Then this one at the top left is the thickness, okay. You can leave the third one, this one you can just leave it like that, okay. So once you tap on it, the eraser will come out. You'll be able to erase any part you want to erase. Can you see? I've erased that E, and let's say I erase this E too. Let's say and erase this. You want to make all the e's to be uniform. So guys, if you are gaining value from this, do well to share the video, okay? That is all we ask of you, so that others will also learn from it too, okay? And if you have questions, you can drop them in the comment section. So you can go ahead and do like this for all the whole text, okay? I'm not going to be doing much. Let's base on that e for this one, then let's okay it and go back, okay? So what I just did, now go to color, change the color. Can you see? Okay, let's say we want to leave it in that red. If you feel the red is not good, since it's something about wildlife, you can use this green and just make it lighter, okay? This is also good. Now click on your layer, go to the other layer that is open, go to your color again, change the color. Let's say, okay, I like this. Now ensure to lock these two layers. Go ahead and open this layer, okay? You can also lock it, but ensure you are clicked on it. You want to work on that layer now. It's not showing here now because it is behind. You can either use this option to send it to the front or leave it behind, okay? But I'm going to leave it behind now for now. So what I want to do now again is to go to eraser again, okay? Then I also carry out the same process here. Can you see? Ensure to leave this one. So this time, let's say I want to manipulate only A. Hope you are following, guys. You can also reduce the length and the thickness of the brush, okay? Follow the steps in the video, guys. If you miss out in any part, watch the video all over again. So I'll now change the color. Let's say I want to change the color to red this time, okay? Where the red will now be is, can you see? I can either move the layers from here, okay? I can either move the layers. If I leave this red, this last layer is the red layer. If I leave it, you see that the red will be behind it and it's going to act as a shadow, okay? So if I leave the red layer, this last layer is the red layer. If I leave it behind, you see that it will be acting as shadow to other layers. Can you see? But if I bring it to the center, can you see? So I want those two greens to show, then I'll just make the red show a little bit behind. You can either bring it down and take it up. Hope you are following, guys. So I'll leave it like this, and you can also manipulate the color of that red too that is behind. So leaving it like this, I don't think it's good. All you need to do is use your relative position key to move it, okay? Let's leave it like this. Let it go to the top. It's better this way. So you can also copy all these layers like into 5 and erase other parts and use it and test it and see how it will go for you. So once you are done, go ahead and merge the 3 layers together. So once you have merged it, these layers, you can edit them separately. If we are going to use it for a text animation, then I would have edited them separately and saved them separately as PNG. Then I'll now animate everything, okay? That is graphic design and video editing put together. It's going to give you animation, okay? You need to learn that. So it's on our channel. Subscribe so that you get updates once we start posting videos like that. So once you are done, go to emboss, this last option, click on emboss, on the option, okay? If your work starts scattering like this, do well to scale it, scale in and out, okay? Scale in and out, hold the bounding box, scale in and out. Then once you are done, use this your angle light, check the angle light, okay? Follow the steps in the video, guys. And our 2 days of professional flyer design is coming up on PixelLab. So follow our Facebook page. That's where you get more updates about this. If you are seeing this on YouTube, I'll link our Facebook page in the description. Okay, go ahead and increase the hardness. Okay, you reduce the bevel to 5 or 6, and see what you are doing clearly. Okay, if you feel the hardness is too much, you can reduce it a bit so that it will be a bit lighter. So guys, we are turning this shape, this text into a 3D. On the shadow, reduce the blur, reduce it totally, then go to 3D shape. Can you see? On it, reduce the depth. Just, you can make it 2 or 1. Okay, for this tutorial I'll make it 1. Then you don't need to do too much setting here, you can just okay it. Can you see? If your work starts scattering, just scale it in and out. Okay, then place it in the center. So like I said before, if I was going to do a text animation, I won't have merged everything. I would have saved them as PNG like this separately. Okay, then I would have first saved that save wildlife, then I'll save the other text separately. So click on the icon at the top to save your design. Okay, then you can also test your design in other background. Ensure it's on that background icon. Then you can test it on other backgrounds in PixelLab. And you can also do like this, create posts for your social media handle. Okay, posts that will drive attention. So if this has brought value to you, share it so that others will learn from it. Peace guys.